In this video, I'll be showing you how to use AI indicator in TradingView. So what an AI indicator does is it uses artificial intelligence to indicate to the trader potential trends and market activity. It's very important to understand that a AI indicator does not implement codes that will make you millions. AI indicators will not make you loads of money straight away. It's only an indicator to help inform you to create a profitable, good decision for you. So I have two here, two different ones. So if we turn on here, you'll see it's indicating an average trend and also a real-time trend. And as you can see, it's slowly going up. The other one that I am using is this one. So as you can see, it is using AI to map out specific areas. And also it shows us this, which is very handy. If you want to find indicators, you can search for them here. This is just one, and then when you want to use it, you press use on chart, and that will be implemented onto your chart. But yeah, there's a search bar here. We can just search for anything that we need, go to community, and that will help us find tools that we can use. So I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.